Hello, in this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you different DIYs that you're not only going to use them for yourself, but you're going to be able to sell them. My goal is to turn your hobbies into a business. Here we are again. I'm doing this video as someone asked me to do a comparison between the Epson Color F570 and the Sawgrass SG1000. And I'm just gonna bring my what I think it's the best, but what is the best for me may not be the best for you. So you just take all my information and run with it. The first thing that I just went through a lot of research, and a lot of you know that I have the Sawgrass SG400. So I'm basically going to base that on that. So if you buy this new Sawgrass SG1000 and you already had the 800, the tray that helps you print bigger fits in the 1000 as well as it fit the 800. The comparison and how big you can print, the Sawgrass prints, the 1000 prints up to 11 by 17. And the Epson goes up to 24 inches. So that's a very big number considering one against the other one. The 24 inches, you can probably do blankets, you can do, a lot of more things. If you're barely starting your business, I will probably have to say either get the 500 or the 800 or the 1000 SG. But if you have the money to invest in the Epson, I will say go for it. The prices there's a very big chunk between the two. Epson Color price starts at $2,495, and that's being on sale from $2,695. The Sawgrass, it starts at $1,499, and the price goes up depending if you want to add other things to it. So that's the difference between the two. The paper for the Epson Color F570, so in regards to the paper, they have a roll that's 17 and it's 100 feet for $20, or if you get the 24 inches is $28. The paper for the Sawgrass, it has different prices because they have the 8.5 by 11, they have the 11 by 70, they have the one for the mugs, which is for the 15 ounces, and it has for the 11 ounces. So I didn't really get the prices for that, but I know that by buying like the ones for the mugs for the 15 ounces is about $9 for 100 sheets, and the one for the 11 ounces is about $5.99 for 100 sheets. So that's the price between the two. The paper that the Epson uses in a roll is the paper 2 inches core plus the regular paper. Now, in regard to the programs, the program the Epson has that is not very usable, I asked around, and this is the information I got, is there's a program called Etch, but they also recommend to use the Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or any other system that you may have that are used to. Personally, for me, I want something that is more something that I can just go to it and do what I need to do without having to learn a new system. The Sawgrass SG1000 and all of the Sawgrass, they have they come with the free license Creative Studio, and the Creative Studio has thousands of designs for every season, and if you get the little membership from them, you get a lot more images, backgrounds, and a whole bunch of stuff. Another thing that I learned about the Sawgrass is that it's energy efficient. It does automatic maintenance cycles, so you don't have to do any maintenance. Now, in regards to the ink, the ink for the Epson Sure Color is $100 for all the 4 bottles. And the ink for Sawgrass is about $340. I mean, there's this little thing that you can do where you can buy your ink on eBay and you can get all the 4 inks for $79.99. But once you buy something like that and replace it with the regular Sawgrass ink, then if the machine breaks, you can claim anything because you put the wrong ink. I bought the ink for my SG400, the one that they sell on eBay, and I can give you a link of it if you're interested in that. And I have never had a problem. Another thing that I learned that I really don't know about is just because I read it, is that the Epson colors, the print is brighter. I can't really tell you because I'm just used to the Sawgrass, so it's hard for me to say. Epson Sure Color has a 1-year warranty. Sawgrass has a 2-year warranty that includes a limited tech support, and the tech support is for life. So I really kind of like that. The Sawgrass, like I said, it has a bypass tray to print up to 51 inches long. So that's something that you can buy separate. In regards to printing on vinyl, the Epson Sure Color does not print on white vinyl, but the Sawgrass SG1000 does. So in order for the Sawgrass to print the vinyl, you need to use what's called Easy Subli ink. And you have to buy the Scissor Easy Subli vinyl, and it will definitely print on the vinyl. Another thing that both of the printers are the same is that they are sublimation printers. All the sublimation printers only do light colors. If you want to use something darker, you're going to be barely going to see it. Like for instance, I have print on gray, and what it does, it shows the colors so they look like a little vintage. And if there's any white on your image, is not, we all know about sublimation that it doesn't have a white. So if an area of your image has white, it's gonna come out being the color of the t-shirt. So my t-shirt was gray. All the areas that were supposed to be white, they were gray. And you know, they look pretty good. I kind of like the light gray with the sublimation. So that's all the information that I have for you guys. I know if it was me, because I already have the Sawgrass 400, and because the Sawgrass has the creative studio, I will probably stick to the Sawgrass. But you look at both of the different printers and you make your decision. I hope this video helped. Other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and have a happy new year. Until next time, thank you.